So you want to know when's the best time to prune,
Yeah.
you know, flowers, no flowers, what time of year, etc. So there's for the plant and there's for the human.
Mm-hmm.
So if we want to optimize the blooms for us for next year, you want to pretty much prune right after they're done blooming. What does that mean? 2 to 4 weeks, let's see if you can get to it. You know, if you wait, then you might be cutting off the buds that the plant is making. But sometimes the timing doesn't work, and this is the time you have, is November, whatever.
Yeah.
Go for it. It's fine.
Yeah.
If you want the best time to prune, usually it's late winter, early spring.
Okay.
The act of pruning stimulates new growth, and then the plant has got all the growing season to produce the new growth and kind of harden off, for the winter to protect it. But having said that, I mean, I pruned a row of azaleas with a client in early December a couple of years ago. The next year there were no blooms because they were sickly anyway. This year, insane blooms.
Oh, wow.
So it's for the human. You asked when is the best time to prune these, and my answer to you is when you have the time, okay, and when you have the tools, and when you can do something with the carnage that you're creating, obviously.